You're in the business of selling highly customized services. You know that complexity can be an absolute beast to manage. Well, today we're going to tame that beast with a really powerful tool inside SAP S4HANA called Advanced Variant Configuration. Let's dive right in.
Just think about it for a second. Every single custom option you offer, it adds another layer of complexity to your quoting, your scheduling, and your billing. It feels like a constant battle, right? Trying to keep everything accurate and efficient? But what if there was a way to embrace all that complexity without all the chaos?
To really see how this works, let's use a simple analogy that, well, we can all understand. A super configurable, top-of-the-line car wash.
Okay, so picture this. Your customer wants the premium wax and the leather seat conditioning, but they don't want the tire shine. The very next customer, they want the exact opposite. Trying to manually create a unique service order and price for every single one of those combinations, that's just a recipe for errors, for wasted time, and for totally inconsistent pricing. And that right there is the core challenge.
So how do we solve this puzzle? Well, the answer lies in a feature called Advanced Variant Configuration, or AVC for short. Let's break down what this thing actually is and how it works.
At its heart, AVC is a really smart system for handling products that have a ton of different options. It's designed to take a potentially infinite number of service combinations and let you manage them with, and I'm quoting the source material here, a relatively simple setup. So instead of creating hundreds of different service products, you create just one. Let's call it the configurable car wash. Now, this single product contains all the possible options, the waxes, the soaps, the detailing packages, all of them as characteristics. Your sales team can then just check the boxes for what the customer wants, and the system, it handles the rest. It's that simple.
Okay, but what happens when a technician is out on site and the customer wants to add a service? Let's be real. Real-world service rarely goes exactly as planned. The amount of flexibility you have in that moment, well, it depends entirely on how the service order was created in the first place.
Now here's the crucial point you got to remember. If that service order was generated from a larger solution order, think of a big project with multiple products and services all bundled together for one price, then the configuration is locked in. No changes allowed on the fly. But if it was created as a standalone service order for a single job, your technician has the green light to update the configuration right there in the service confirmation. This just highlights the system's built-in controls for all these different business scenarios.
All right, so now that we know what it is, let's look at how it actually works in practice. We can break down the entire process, from that initial quote all the way to getting paid, into a few key stages.
Now, the official documentation lists out 14 detailed steps, but it really boils down to 4 core stages. First up, you create and configure. This is where your team selects the exact options the customer wants, and the system prices it all out automatically. Second, release and execute. The order gets sent to the service team, and the work gets done. Third, you confirm the service. The technician confirms the work is complete, and this is the key moment where they can add or change options if the rules allow it. And finally, you bill the customer. The system takes that final, confirmed service and generates a perfectly accurate invoice. And look, this is not a one-person show. It absolutely takes a team. The customer service manager is usually the one creating the service order. The service technician, they're the one executing the work and entering the confirmation. And then finally, the billing clerk makes sure the invoice is created and sent out. See? Each role has a really clear part to play in this whole streamlined process. Okay, now for the most important part. Why should you care about any of this? What is the real, tangible payoff for implementing a system like this one? Let's get into the business benefits. The advantages are pretty clear. You dramatically reduce complexity by consolidating countless service variations into one. You gain incredible flexibility in your pricing, with automatic adjustments for every single option. It integrates seamlessly with those bigger solution orders we talked about, and you get controlled flexibility for those on-site updates. You're basically replacing manual chaos with automated precision. I want to come back to this quote from the source material because I think it's just so powerful. The promise here is that you don't need a massively complex setup to manage complex services. The whole goal is elegance and efficiency.
And let's just double-click on that pricing benefit. This whole thing works through something called variant conditions. Just think of them as simple if-then rules that you define. So, if a customer selects the premium wax option, then the system automatically adds the correct surcharge to the base price. What does this mean? It means every quote is calculated perfectly by the system. It eliminates human error and ensures you charge the right price every single time.
So, let's wrap it up. The key takeaways are simple. With AVC, one single service product can represent endless combinations.
Your pricing becomes automated and accurate using these variant conditions. The flexibility to make changes on-site depends on where the order came from, which gives you both power and control. And the whole process, from quote to cash, becomes significantly more streamlined.
And that leaves us with a final thought. This isn't just about managing the services you already offer. It's really about unlocking new possibilities. So I'll leave you with this question. If you could offer any combination of services you could dream of, without adding all that administrative overhead, how could mastering configurable services transform your entire business model?